Do these questions sound familiar? Can we automate routine fixes? Where should we spend our IT budget to get the best return? Why is it taking so long for clinicians to search for patient records? Who takes ownership of an IT incident? Do staff have MS Office issues this morning? Well, how do you answer all those and more? The answer is Alluvio Aternity Digital Experience Management from Riverbed. We capture the clinician's perspective of performance, observing every click inside every application on every device to build a picture of how IT impacts the daily life of all your end users. Combining the three dimensions of digital experience, device performance, application performance, and the performance of the actions that users take inside the applications they rely on, Alluvio Aternity provides a stream of actionable intelligence that helps IT teams in healthcare get ahead of these questions and more. Today, healthcare professionals are focused on improving the digital experience of their employees and patients, but in reality, they lack information on where to prioritize investment so as to produce the biggest improvement on patient care. Alluvio Eternity's Digital Experience Index, DXI, automatically identifies digital experience hotspots across your estate that impact employees and patients, and then sets you on the path to action and improvement. With Alluvio Eternity, you'll be 5 times faster at prioritizing objectives, identifying what to improve, and reporting on improvement. Unlike other approaches to digital experience management that are fixed and inflexible, you can tailor DXI to your own objectives and goals that measure either against your own historical baseline or against other healthcare customers based on the thousands of other endpoints monitored by Alluvio Eternity. Alluvio Eternity DXI shows you immediately where to improve for each category and then sets you on the right path to diagnose the root cause and solve the issue. This helps drive continuous service improvement and ensures you stay on the right path for increased stability and performance of your IT services. Alluvio Eternity provides proactive alerting if performance issues impact digital services experience so that the incident can be quickly isolated and resolved. In Alluvio Eternity, Level 1 service desk teams have simplified dashboards with color coding to identify issues and access to trigger automated remediation actions that can be executed immediately without further escalation or even the need for end-user interaction. Auto-remediation allows for fixes to be deployed automatically when repeatable issues occur, allowing end users to continue to be productive without the need to raise a ticket. With Alluvio Eternity, IT can put themselves truly in the shoes of their users by understanding the performance of the critical healthcare activities that users carry out in applications they rely on, such as Cerner, Allscripts, and other digital clinical services. Whether it's trying to log into an EPR system, opening a patient document, or searching for a patient record, Alluvio Eternity allows you to quickly drill down to see the digital experience, all monitored from the perspective of the user. Irrespective of how the app is delivered, locally, web-based, or SaaS, Alluvio Eternity allows IT to isolate issues quickly by narrowing down the likely cause to back-end, network, or client device, allowing issues to be handed off to the right resolver group much more quickly than today. Security updates, application upgrades, and the introduction of new hardware, software, and infrastructure can all impact users' digital experience. Managing IT changes can be complex, and in some cases feel like a bit of a lottery. Will the change run smoothly, or will it be disruptive to healthcare operations and need backing out urgently? With Alluvio Eternity, you can assess device, operating system, and application health scores, combined with activity response times to help quickly understand the impact of the change. By comparing data pre and post the change, Alluvio Eternity can identify, for example, if a clinical application is performing slower with the new update applied. IT can now troubleshoot accordingly to resolve the issue or escalate with the appropriate team before it is rolled out more widely. This helps to ensure that no issues are introduced into the environment and to ensure increased user satisfaction. While we've talked extensively about increasing the end user's satisfaction with your service and using objective, measured data to support that, what about understanding how the end user actually feels? We can help that too. With the ability to generate ad hoc and scheduled user sentiment surveys combined with objective, measured performance data, you're not only able to see performance from the point of view of your end users, but see how they feel about it too. This and more. Alluvio Eternity Digital Experience Management from Riverbed.